nice. I like this. It looks really nice. Little Volkswagen. Should knock him into the woods. It's real nice. I've been out since left my house like 5:15 in the morning. My job is always open. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. They didn't even plow that. I should go through that. Let's do it. Uh-oh, that's not good. That's Jay. It's Jay, baby. Let's do it. Deep snow. That was crazy coming through there. It was fun. I have a good friend. YouTube with my subs. Whoa. Buggin'. He's check him out. Good channel. He has the FJ, Toyota FJ. Really nice truck. Really nice. And we're gonna see him a lot on my video, on my channel. We're gonna go off-roading in the summer, spring. He has a lot of preps, a lot of good preps. And when Troy gets back from, I guess, Australia, I think that's where we went. Three of us are hanging out together. So I just want to show you guys how it is in New York. I think we got something like 25, 30 inches. I'm like, people say, I'm tired of the snow. If it's going to be cold, I'd rather see snow. I don't want to just be cold for nothing. See, right now, I don't care. I wouldn't mind it being cold because it's a lot of snow out. Let's see if the snow plow get by. Yeah, he's got it. Alright, guys. It's SJ. I'm in New York. Got a lot of snow. More to come.